alternative. Its moisturizing properties can be great for your hair and skin. Some of its active ingredients are even thought to help minimize scars. Although more research is needed, the evidence is promising. Today's video will discuss, can you use coconut oil to help treat scarring?
Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
What the research says about coconut oil's effect on scarring. Scars are complex and their treatment is perhaps even more so. If you are considering coconut oil as an alternative treatment, it's important to know that research about its effects is mixed at best. Number 1. Acne scars. Acne scars can develop after a breakout. This happens for a breakdown of a collagen fiber surrounding the pore. Ice pick, box scar, and rolling scars are common types. You might be considering coconut oil to collagen and repair the skin. Some people even try the oil to get rid of dark spots left over from acne. One key ingredient in coconut oil is antioxidant vitamin E. However, research of its use for scars and other dermatologic conditions was considered inconclusive. Number 2. Stretch marks. Stretch marks occurs when the middle layer of skin stretches at a rapid rate. This can be a result of pregnancy or other weight gain. Once stretch marks occur, they are difficult to get rid of. Stretch marks can naturally fade in colors over time, thereby becoming less noticeable. Still, you might be wondering if coconut oil can help speed up this effect. Number 3. Atrophic scars. Atrophic scars consist of depressed marks in the skin. Some of these can occur from acne in the form of ice pick or box scars. Others can occur from a previous chickenpox virus or injuries. These scars can be oval or round shapes, with or without hyperpigmentation. One theory is that coconut oil can produce more collagen in the skin. If you are dealing with atrophic scars, this might seem that increased collagen could even out of depression marks in your skin. Number 4. Surgical scars. Anytime your skin is under scars, tissues from while new permanent tissues are being generated. Surgery is a more extreme example. Some people use vitamin E products immediately after surgery without help to help prevent scarring. Number 5. Hypertrophic scars. Hypertrophic scars are those that have the most collagen losses. As your wound heals, a larger amount of scar tissues form in a thick area. Although coconut oil is said to help with collagen losses, research trusts the source on vitamin E for hypertrophical scars is mixed. How to use it? Coconut oil is available over the counter. You can buy it pure from or as an ingredient within a product. For best results, use the product at least twice a day, morning and night. Follow all products instructions for correct doses. To do this, apply a small amount of your forearm. Cover the area with a bandage. If you don't experience any irritations or inflammations within 24 hours, the product is likely safe to use elsewhere. No matter which form of coconut oil you choose, you need to wear sunscreen every day. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.